Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This week I will be showing you guys what I packed with me for our 3-week backpacking trip to Korea. It's my first backpacking trip, so it's really exciting for me to be kind of picking and choosing what I want to bring with me on this trip. So yeah, before we get started into the actual packing, I'm going to show you all the little things that I'm bringing with me and kind of how I pack them. So let's go do that now. First up, I'm packing my skincare and hygiene items together. So I put my cleanser in a little pot, then I have my Glossier moisturizer, sunscreen, serum, and I have also my deodorant, a small tube of toothpaste, my razor, and some nail tools. I should mention here that we didn't pack any shampoo, conditioner, or body wash because we intended on buying it there in Korea if necessary. For clothes, I wanted to make sure to really bring just what's necessary. We planned on getting our laundry done while we were in Korea, so we'd rewear some pieces, but I still wanted to make sure that I had cute outfits for the trip. So I created a Canva project where I put all the pieces I intended to bring and tried to mix and match them to create different outfits to make sure I was making full use of each piece and that I was covered for all the varying temperatures that we would have there. So for my clothes, I'm bringing along 2 sets of sporty clothes because we were going to do some hiking while we were there. I'm also bringing along a couple of t-shirts, a sweater, and a heat tech in case it gets really cold. For my bottoms, I'm bringing a long skirt and a pair of cream denim jeans. For my outerwear, I'm bringing along a navy blue blazer and my rain jacket. And for my airport outfit, I'm going with some classic denim jeans, a tank top with a sweater over, and my coat as it's one of the bulkiest pieces of clothing. And I'm packing along also my gloves and a cap. Oh, and I almost forgot my underwear and socks. For electronics, I'm bringing along an external portable charger. It's always useful to have this. I'm also bringing along my earbuds, which will also be useful for our journeys. I also packed 2 charging cables for my phone, a charging cable for my earbuds and portable battery, and 2 plugs for those. Thankfully, Korea uses the same type of plug as France, so we didn't need any adapters. I also brought 2 camera batteries, my camera battery charger, my external hard drive, my laptop charger, my laptop, and my tripod for my camera, and of course my camera, which I'm using to film now. And now that we have the main groups of things gathered, let's get into the actual packing. So I will be bringing this bag along with me to Korea. It is the 4-class backpack and it is 60 liters big. It's completely new because I have never done any backpacking before. So I'm very excited to take this out on my first vacation and of course go on many more adventures together. So yeah, let's fill her up for our trip. Something I really like about this backpack is that we can open it from the back. So there's a little zip that allows you to open it this way, which I think is super cool, and it's kind of like a suitcase in this way. So there is a little compartment here in the backpack where I'm going to put my shoes. So I will be wearing my pair of white sneakers for the flight and the journey, but I'm packing along 2 pairs of shoes, a pair of slippers for comfort, and I'm also packing along some white sports shoes because, as I said, we will be doing some hiking, so I wanted to bring these along to be really comfortable for that. And then I'm going to put the clothes in to the big compartment as well. also packing along a beach towel. We're not really planning to go to the beach, but I thought this would do the trick to dry myself after my showers. It's a lot smaller than my usual towel. And I'm also bringing along this cross shoulder bag. Is that what you call it? Cross body bag. I think it's going to be really practical for going around and discovering South Korea. Okay, and I'm also going to be putting all my chargers into this big compartment. Really stuffing it up. And I think also my makeup pouch. I didn't really show what's in here, but it's just my everyday makeup items, so nothing too interesting. So I'm putting it there, and I think that's it for the main compartment. We can zip it up. And then there are lots of many other small compartments all around the bag. I'm not going to be using all of them because I don't need it at the moment, but I'm sure during the trip I will be making full use of them. But on this side pocket, I'm going to be putting all the liquid items, just so it will be a lot easier to get in and out when we're doing the baggage checks. And then on this top flap here, there's also a compartment, and in there I'm going to be putting in 2 shopping bags for when we go shopping. And I will also be putting in a whole bunch of pens. I think these would be really useful to have. So this goes in there. And on this other side pocket, I'm going to be putting in some Ziploc bags. I have 3 big ones and 2 small ones, and growing up we always traveled with Ziploc bags. We find them just so practical for storing things, for storing dirty clothes, and other miscellaneous stuff. So I'm going to bring these along because I'm sure we will be using them during our trip. And I also have a little umbrella that I will pack here. And I guess that's it for my big backpack. It's really full, but I think it's not too heavy. No, it's very manageable. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. And now let's move on to the smaller backpack that I will be bringing. And for my smaller carry-on, I will be bringing along a Captain & Son backpack. I have been eyeing this backpack for super long, so I'm super excited that I get to take it along for this trip. So let's fill her up as well. In the main compartment, there is a laptop sleeve, so I'm just going to be packing my laptop in there. I hesitated for a long time about whether or not I wanted to bring my laptop, but I thought it would be really useful to make bookings and reservations and things like this, and also it would be super cool to have it in case we find some pockets of time, for example on the flight, where I can edit my videos. So I'm bringing it along. And then I have a folder with all of our documents, so our flight tickets, our visa and things like this. So this is also going into the laptop sleeve. I'm also bringing along a little notebook because I thought it would be really precious to jot down some things we did in Korea. It would be a really nice memory, so I wanted to take this along. And then of course we cannot forget about my passport. Actually it's kind of cool because in this backpack, in the main compartment, there is a little compartment here. You see? It's a kind of like a secret compartment, so I'm just going to put my passport in here so that it stays safe. And then the rest of the space here will be for snacks. I love snacking. especially at airports and planes. I absolutely want to buy all the snacks I see. So Damian and I always make it a point to stock up on snacks before we go on vacation, so I don't spend too much on overpriced snacks at the airport. Anyway, so we got some fruit pouches. We got some cherry tomatoes for something fresh. I also have some pretzel chips. I tried these for the first time this week and they are so good. So I had to pick up a pack for the flight or journey. And then we have a packet of Maltesers for something a little sweet. And then I think in the main compartment also I will put these reusable cutlery set. It's just a set of bamboo spoons, forks and knives, as well as glass straws, and I think it would be really nice to have when traveling. I also have a whole bag of masks. It was actually kind of funny packing this because it's been super long since we used masks, and we actually got these back when the pandemic was still kind of going strong, and we kind of stocked up on masks and we ended up not using it because everything kind of declined. So yeah, we have a lot of masks and I'm bringing some along with us to Korea. I'm also going to pack my lip balm in here, and I think that's all I will have for the main compartment. So there's still a lot of space, but I think it's good to have space in case we need to pack something we forgot, or if we want to pick something up. I'm going to zip that up, and then in this smaller compartment here, we are going to be putting our smaller items. There is a little compartment here where I'm going to put my phone chargers, earphones, and portable charger. I'll go in there. And then in another compartment I will be putting my purse and my card holder. I will also put in some, what do you call these? Food clips? Just in case we don't finish any of the snacks we open. I will also pack 2 packets of tissue because I get horrible sinus on flights. A pen, as I said, always useful, and this one will be really easy to access. And then I have also my earbuds, which will be useful for the flight. Oh. And to finish, I will be bringing my bottle, which will go nicely on the side. And that's it. That is my 2 bags packed for Korea. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. If I do, I will put a slide over with what I forgot to pack. But otherwise, this is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed seeing what I'm bringing along with me to Korea. And I guess the next time I will see you will be in Korea. Of course, I'll be vlogging the entire trip. So yeah, I can't wait to explore Korea with you guys. And for now, I'm going to go sleep because I have to be up at 3:20 tomorrow. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week in Korea. Bye!